she's putting that.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. More than likely, everyone here has been affected by the current recession in some way. It is more important than ever before for businesses to look at ways to cut costs and increase effectiveness in order to maintain profitability. This is especially true for the manufacturing businesses. Toyota developed a process which has helped many companies, including the one I work for, OfficeMax, to succeed even in the rough times that we all face. I've worked 5 years with OfficeMax now, and learning and understanding the lean process, and I've become very familiar with it. So today I'm going to tell you how to implement lean processing, which can make the difference between a business going under or staying afloat in these tough times. So, the first question is, what is lean? Lean was developed by Toyota in the 20th century. They looked at all the processes in order to try to reduce as much waste as possible. The definition, according to Lonnie Wilson, in the book How to Implement Lean Manufacturing from 2009, is this. Lean is a comprehensive set of techniques that, when combined and matured, will allow you to reduce and then eliminate the 7 wastes. This system will not only make your company more lean, but more flexible and more responsive to reducing waste. But lean is more than a process. It is a mindset. It is a complete makeover of how to look at reducing waste from every process within a facility. It is a cultural change to a company that can change the business significantly for the better. The bottom line? Lean is the mentality to organize ways to reduce waste. Now that we know what lean is, why is lean important? Lean can help increase productivity, increase safety, and reduce costs. It trains associates at all levels to look at ways to reduce the waste. It sets up a standard process to reduce the waste once it's found. Eliminating waste is essential for manufacturing companies in order to lower costs. Lean attempts to create a continuous workflow, eliminate waste, and satisfy clients all at the same time. We know eliminating waste is essential to lean. Let me introduce you to a term called Timwood to show you how to eliminate these wastes. What is Timwood? Timwood is known as the 7 deadly wastes. It is one of the most important processes of lean. It breaks down waste into 7 categories in order to simplify it. Transportation. Transportation is moving product unnecessarily. If it doesn't need to be moved, let it sit there, or you're just wasting your time. Inventory. Inventory is making sure you have enough inventory to do your job, but not so much that it's stopping the workflow. Motion. One of the most keys to Timwood is motion. Motion is people moving unnecessarily. If you need to get from point A to point B, just get there. Don't worry about going out of your way. You're wasting your time. Waiting. If you have to wait on work or wait on people in order to do your job, you're wasting your time. You should have the work there in front of you at all times. Overprocessing. Overprocessing is processing unnecessarily for your customers. If you're bagging things, putting things in bags, putting things in sleeves, when you're taking it directly to your customer and it doesn't need to be, you're wasting your time. Overproduction. Creating too much inventory. If you're creating too much inventory, it's going to get in your way. You don't need to be in your way. And you may be stuff you never even use. And defects and rework. Errors create rework that could have been prevented in the first place. If you're doing a process again, you're wasting your time. So again, the 7 deadly wastes: transportation, inventory, motion, waiting, overprocessing, overproduction, and defects and rework. Finding ways to reduce or eliminate these wastes can significantly cut costs for a business. Identifying the waste is difficult, but looking at processes individually and breaking waste down into 7 categories can help. Let's take a look at what we learned about implementing lean processing in Timwood. The first step is to understand lean and the importance of lean. The next step is to implement specific processes like Timwood. By training associates on the importance of lean and the 7 deadly wastes, companies can increase productivity and safety and reduce costs. Lean processing can make the difference between a company staying afloat or going under in this recession. Understanding waste in Timwood and reducing them is the most important implementation of the lean process. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
That's good.